Alright, so I'm doing the review on, I guess you pronounce it as Auvon or Auvon. It's a wheelchair cushion manual that I got off of Amazon. So I'm going to pause the video for a second. So this is the manual that comes with it. So basically it's 100% polyester. The inner material, the outer material is that. The inner material is polyurethane, 100%, and the strap is the same material. So basically it's curved surface fits perfectly to your buttock and shifts to your shape. The U shape reduces the pressure on the tailbone and relieve the pain. And the slope, it fits your thigh and takes pressure off your thigh at the edge of the chair. So there's a strap that actually comes with this product. The cushion comes with a removable strap for fixing the cushion on the chair. So it just says that the hook must be installed facing down. That's image 1. So there's a little opening right there. You put the hook through that, and then you take the other part of it and loop it on all the way on the other side. So it should look like that. So I'm going to demonstrate that. And sitting position for your comfort and safety, we recommend that you adopt the correct sitting posture in your wheelchair. Sit in the middle of your wheelchair with your back against the backrest and your thighs against the seat, your hips against the backrest, your feet on the pedals, and your elbows slightly bent on the armrest. My hands are dry. That's page 4. Page 5 says odor. Normally, cushion may arrive with a slight odor, but it's harmless and will dissipate after 2 to 3 days of ventilation. Softness. The memory foam is temperature sensitive, so the softness and performance of the material will change as seasons or environments change. If the foam core becomes hard in winter, low temperature, put the product in a warm place and then it will become soft again. The initial color of the foam core is white, but after a period of time of use, it will turn yellow due to oxidation. The change in color does not affect the softness of the foam core. The package will be in rolls. Yeah, it will be packaged. So it basically came rolled, but I'm going to show what it looks like in a second. So this is just open and leave it for 2 hours, and then the cushion will restore the shape. Cleaning. The foam core is non-washable, so you can't wash the core of it. But the cover, the outside, where you see the name, that is washable. And please take off the strap before washing and air dry only. And wash the strap by hand or it may damage the washing machine. Of course, when cleaning the cover, zip it up to prevent damage and check care label for washing instructions. And that's their customer service. So you get a 24-month limited warranty. That's their phone number. That's their email for support. And I think the other part of this is in a different language. And so English, and can't say what this is. That probably looks like French to me. And yeah, and that's that. So it comes in different languages in the manual. Pretty cool. So let's show what the product looks like. So I'm kind of confused because I don't know which position or angle it's supposed to face or orient. So this here is the strap. That is the strap right here. And so when placing it through the thing, I guess, it needs to be hooked down, right? There's a better angle. It's supposed to be like that. But you're supposed to put it underneath the seat, and it will adhere it to the seat so it doesn't, move or shift when you get in the wheelchair. And then here's the cushion itself. Let me pause this. Okay. So this is the cushion right here. That's what it looks like. Try to push this further back. So that's that. Soft. And so here's where this one is, and then here's where this one is. The little loop thing. And then this is the zip for the cover. And then this is the back. And so I'm assuming it zips all the way like that. Ends right there. And then that's how you take out the core. This is the core. And it tells you right here. Let's see if I can zoom in. 100% polyester. The outer and inner polyethylene, ethylene. Instructions. So let me zip this back up. All right, so let's get this strap onto this here. So I guess when you're sitting, you want this to be on the edge of the seat. Okay, so the strap goes this way. So I'm gonna get this here and I'm gonna put it this way. Hook it on through. There we go. And then the other one, now this is kind of weird because I guess I go underneath it. So I'm gonna have to go underneath because what I'm seeing on this picture here, that you place that one there, go through, and it's supposed to be like that. Oh, okay, and you can loosen it. Okay, because I was like, all right. So it goes this way. Kind of hard to do. I don't have much room. And where's the other strap? So it needs to be face down, the hook. This one was easier to go through. And then once you have it like that, then you can adjust it and put the strap underneath the seat, and then it'll stick to it. Okay, so I'm gonna put the thing through. I'm gonna put the strap underneath the seat, and then I'll be back. So to get a closer view of what I'm doing to make this end longer is I'm taking this and I'm pushing this back. If I wanted to make this shorter, I would do this. You see? But I want to make this longer. Just pull this back. This is about as long as it goes. But you know, all wheelchairs come in different sizes. So I got the other hook on this side. And if you can see underneath the wheelchair, there's still a lot of room. So, let's see. I have to pause the video. So it's adhered. I'm going to sit down on it. good to go. And that's how you install a Auvon wheelchair cushion.